Culture is regarded as the people's way of life. Every tribe has an identity which is seen through their attire, habits, food, and festivals. Our visit to number 11 Asole in Woliwo, Onitsha reveals assorted items used in Igbo tradition and culture, as well as those who make their livings through crafting those traditional items. The Igbo traditional items include ingots, known as mbubo in Igbo, and utensils made from dried shell of calabash, local mats and hand fans made with raffia palm, local plates and musical instruments, nza, ijele crafted by core Igbo traditionalists. They said the local items are sourced from different parts of Igbo land and the northern Nigeria.
So ebe ka na-arụ ihe niile eji eme ihe ọdịnala ihe Igbo niile maka na use within Anambra ma outside Nigeria.
Amazing importation. Some of those ones I go foreign. Amazing crystals by
Abun dinete bun onye kwelu me maka mụ na arịa ebe a ihe ndị enweta ebe a na ezuru but onye kwelu me ya bịa ka anyị tinye aka fụkwa na ihe Igbo na ga akwakwa n'iru.
Of interest is the price of local ropes made from raffia, known as obuliefi and obuliewu, used during condolence visits and other festivals. In an interaction with the Craftmen, it was gathered that obuliefi, or cow rope in English, presented at festivals is sold at 800 naira per rope, while obuliewu is sold at 500 naira. So, when next you see it held up at festivals, know that it is money. The areas looked down on or neglected have been reviewed to be a strong and consistent financial aid to those who dared to venture.
Not left for government to come in here to assist them. It is also left for our youth to come and identify with what is happening here. Because once somebody's tradition is gone, the culture, the person's identity is gone. I am Ogochu for ABS News.